find the determinant of the block matrix, that is matrix P, equals to this one. When finding the determinant of a block matrix, let's say we have matrix P equals to M, N, Q, and these M and Q are square matrices. Then the rest of the elements, being 0 elements, or the rest of the matrix being a square 0 matrix apart from the square matrices along the diagonal, then we'll be having our matrix to be M times N, the determinant of M times N, times multiplied by 0, the determinant of the last, where the elements along the last square matrix, that is 0, along that diagonal. For example, in this matrix, we can say, so here it will be 0. The determinant P, on this case, will be 0. Again, we have an example here where matrix P is this. Then we are going to map down the square matrices that are inside along this diagonal. Then we'll be having this one, the first one, this one. Then we'll be having this one. We'll be having this one. Then we'll be having this one, this 8. So it is 2 determinant P equals to 2, 0, 1, 1 multiplied by 2, 1, 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 5, 1, then multiplied by the determinant of 8 is obvious 8, then which is 2 multiplied by 2 is 0, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 0 minus 1 is negative 1, into 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 2 is 1, 2 subtracted 1 is 1, then this is 1, multiplied by this one also, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, 1 minus 5 is negative 4, multiplied by 8, that is the determinant of 8 is 8, that is negative 1, multiplied by 1 is negative 1, and then negative 4 multiplied by negative 1 is positive 4, multiplied by 8, which is 32. 32? Yeah, that is 32. Then determinant P is 32. Here.